Let's practice Moon Salutation. Begin in standing position, feet wide, toes pointing forward. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale to triangle right side. Take an inhale here first. Exhale to intense side stretch pose, turning your back foot 45 degrees forward. Then lower the left knee. Inhale to low lunge, chest forward, chin up. Exhale to side lunge right side. Inhale as you transition. Exhale to side lunge left side. Inhale slowly to low lunge. Exhale to intense side stretch. Inhale slowly to triangle pose. And exhale, return to first position. Now second side. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, triangle, left side. Inhale here first. Exhale to intense side stretch pose. Inhale, drop the right knee. Low lunge, chest forward, chin up. Exhaling, side lunge left. Inhale as you transition to right side. Exhale. Inhale slowly, coming up to low lunge. Exhale to intense side stretch. Inhaling to triangle pose. And exhale, return to first position. This completes one cycle. Let's try one more round. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, triangle right side. Inhale here first. Exhale, fold forward to intense side stretch. Drop the left knee. You can do crescent pose instead of low lunge. And then exhale to side lunge right side. Inhale here as you transition. Exhale to side lunge left side. Inhaling to crescent moon left side. Lower the hands. Exhale to intense side stretch. Inhaling up to triangle pose. And exhale, return to first position. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, triangle left side. Inhale here. Exhale to intense side stretch. Lower the right knee. Inhale to crescent pose. Exhale, hands to the floor. Side lunge left side. Inhale as you transition. Exhale to side lunge right. Inhale to crescent moon right side. Exhale, lower the hands. Intense side stretch pose. Inhale to triangle. And exhale, return to first position. There you go. Happy practicing.